They just seized some guns and ammunition at the Kingston Wharf. And initially, when I saw the title, I was like, whatever. They're always seizing people or seizing gun and ammunition at wharf, and then nobody is held for it. But when I went down and read the article some more, I realized 2 people were held. And I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts and opinions later on in this video, because way more guns have been found or located at wharfs in Jamaica, and nobody has been held accountable. So this one is a first. But if you're new here, hi, I'm Brains and the Beat. If you're oldie but goodie, thank you for sticking around. And it says 2 held after guns ammo seized at Kingston Wharves. 2 men have been detained by police following a gun and ammunition seizure at Kingston Wharves on Wednesday. Police report that a snap operation was conducted in the afternoon at Berth 7 and a search of a barrel being shipped by a man from the United States to St. Andrew based man containing grocery items revealed 9 pistols, a Uzi submachine gun, and 26 magazines and ammunition. 2 men, a taxi operator and the man who was due to receive the goods, were held in connection to the seizure. More details will be provided as soon as they become available. So if you hear some BS in the background, that's my husband's phone. His phone is big as hell and loud as hell. But as I'm editing this video, I got a notification that says 16 more guns have been found at wharf. And the article says, the Jamaica Constabulary Force says today it seized 16 firearms at the Kingston port, following the seizure of 10 firearms and approximately 640 rounds of ammunition at the location yesterday, which was Tuesday, October 3rd. Reports are that the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, the JCF Narcotics Division, and Jamaica Customs Contraband Enforcement Team conducted secondary operations today at the container terminal, where they discovered an additional 16 9mm pistols, 16 magazines, and 1 9mm round of ammunition. The operation, which began yesterday morning, have so far led to the seizure of a total of 26 firearms, 641 rounds of ammunition, and multiple magazines and a silencer in 24 hours, police reported. 2 women and 2 men were arrested in connection with yesterday's seizure. And I'll insert pictures of them have the ammunition in a grocery item, in a Crisco, okay? 26 magazine, 9 pistol, and a Uzi submachine gun. Looks like they were preparing for war, basically. With all those guns and ammunition laid out on the table, it literally looks like someone was preparing for war. And a lot of times these guns and ammunition are found at wharves in Jamaica, and no one is held accountable. No one goes to jail for it. And I find it quite weird. who are the people clearing these barrels with these guns and ammunitions in them? Because if you know anything about how wharf goes in Jamaica, you can pay a little sideman here and pay a little sideman there and get your barrel cleared under the books. If you know food for palm for grease, basically. So no wonder so much guns and ammunitions are being taken off Jamaica's streets, and no wonder there's so many murders happening in Jamaica, because they're coming through Jamaica's wharf, and no one is ever held accountable for that, ever. But comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you think that the taxi operator and the man that these guns were being shipped to is going to get off scotch-free? Do you think he's actually going to go to jail? What do you guys think? Because he actually didn't clear the barrel. They found out about it before it went to Jamaica. It wasn't really in his possession, just in his name basically, and that's why they locked him up. Do you think that they have substantial evidence to lock him up and keep him locked away for a long time? Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.